Hello, good night. I am Daniel Steven Castellanos Torres, Technology in Civil War. My exposition is about project graduation. My company is Urban Construction. And my companions are Andrés Felipe Ballín Ochoa, Dejon David González Sánchez, and Laura Valentina Montalegre Acosta. Slogan: Project to Better. Logo: we have a building science our profession is carried out in horizontal as here as vertical work. And we chose the color blue because it means locality, harmony, transparency. Mission: we are a combined company with the construction and supervision of civil work project to satisfy the urban needs through efficiency and transparency. We perform construction process based on the current normative and law that guarantees quality and provide works. View: by 2030, our company will be recognized internationally for our excellent work to its technology development and competitiveness. We will be company for yet in principle and value that while exceed our customers' expectation. Likewise, our project with the characteristic by carrying out sustainable construction procedure toward the proper environment management. Company objective: to ensure the best construction and supervision services in civil works to meet the needs of our customers. Problem: due to the massive vehicular traffic in the west of the city, various social problems are general danger of the road, delays in traffic, among others. Also, this route no adds to the surroundings, for example, Engativá and El Dorado. Project objective: provide a definitive solution to the grid mobility problem present in western Bogota through the construction of a vehicular bridge to generator alternative route and their respective expansion. Process 1. The blueprints were designed by an architect. 2. Route detours were necessary during the war. 3. Some houses were demolished to get more space. 4. The excavation were done with a excavator. 5. Ways in the country to take care of environment. 6. The warehouses were built in containers. 7. Provisional facilities were installed on blueprints and specifications. 8. The bathrooms are installed near the warehouse. The steel insulated 5 8 which for heat strength. 10. Concrete was ordered optimized for grid efficiency. 11. The formation of the footing was made with wood. 12. The bridge is made with asphalt. 13. The cobblestones were installed only in Sideman. 14. Traslamps were installed 50 asphalt. 15. The project was necessary to reduce the journey time by 45 minutes. Conclusion: the connection of Calle 63 with two carriages and the three lanes in each direction will help to reduce the journey in approximately 45 minutes, reducing the traffic on Bogota, having in the benefits more than 5,000 abilities in Engativá, becoming alternative route to the airport El Dorado. Thank you.